Hello guys, last time takapera pakuedda mapages, but today toda kuedera styling and bootstrap nango ma themes. Yapa issue iko ndeomwe ningo raza kuma dependencies to edda se. Ne Angular 9 yawepo, there's a simple way ku edda ma dependencies. Previously taishansa np ngI kuinstall ma dependencies, and then saizoita kuti munhu uzoya ku Angular JSON kuno wotanga ku edit uchiedera ma files ako, but new way add kwangoti Angular ng-add wotaura uyo kuda kuedda. For example napa toda ku edera material design, so I will show you how to add material design into our project. So material design, we just type at Angular, sorry I'm not typing, at Angular /material. It should add a material design to our system. Material design, it comes up with a pre-built theme. Pane issue ma customization, ma theme unogona customize your own theme, but if I'm so pay material unongo choose a default yokuda kushandisa, and then izvo ma theme in chapter and chaso bata pambera usi kana takwanisa kuenge treatise. And by the way, you can actually subscribe and or click akabewa for my notification kuitira kuti uzoona ma videos and then dabuditsa latest. So during installation uchachoose theme yaunida kushandisa, unongo choose oyo ukuda, unogona kutoita like ukangwana inoenderana nema colors aunoda depending nepapo. Actually ukachoose hapo unogona kuzoichinja hako later on. We will show you kuti unoichinja sei. Unogona kushandisa custom, but I like green, so I'm going I like blue gray, so I'm going with pinky and blue gray theme. And then yes, I want it to be on the global. Yes. So the animation ku enable to engage animate of a browser, and then my typography kuti ninge global. It means you show your editor index na komuno pana a border no fana editor, so that anenge achiwanika global. So I will pause until it ends. Okay, now it has ended. Is an andrew kutaura kuti inoya yo edera here is inoita automatically since you have used add. Then if you come here, you will see mat ya edera foot, and do people said this question, if we had hit no, it wouldn't have yange kungambo edere koko. So now the next thing is to almost minimize agile chance bootstrap. So I'm going to add the version of bootstrap which is made for Angular. We also go and hit ng add a version is good for Angular, ngx. It comes up with all the version bootstrap yawajaira ne manguma components aka design using Angular. Zvinoita kuti your work ive easy. ngx bootstrap, they will show you where you get some tutorials about it, and then that's it. It installs. I can install my packages. Let me pause until it completes. Okay, done. I hope you are done too. So as you can see, it has added bootstrap, the conventional bootstrap that we are used to yatajaira, and then over here is ngx, which is built up on top of bootstrap yedu yatajaira. And then here comes where I want you to see. It is added bootstrap, the actual bootstrap, and then scripts. So far no scripts have been added since takushandisa the version ngx bootstrap, and then ichinyanya kushanda nema scripts acho. So everything is up. Let's run and see where we are. And save edge that open so that it will automatically open, or if you don't want that, you can just say ng-save. Okay, we'll pause until it ends compile. Okay, it is run and it has opened on my browser. As you can see, I think you can see that the font is now different from the previous one. So here I want to show you another component that we can use of material design that makes it so cool to adopt it to. Okay, tudakuti uprenderingere sidebar ne top bar. Okay, so what we are going to do, tichaenda kuma app modules, tono import these two. They are from material design, and then tobva tama importer panapa tama importer. I think this is the last thing I will show you. Such a sanda page panapa opedza which you have app component kwako, and then we add mat drawer. Pamat drawer pedu tobva taisa side navbar, tobva taisa nemat content, and then mat content tobva tinoisa toolbar yedu. Either unoiisa mukati kana kuiisa kunze, it's up to you. I will show you the difference. Then panapa patinoita outlet yedu inenge ichizobudira mamwe pages. After this, let me show you what it looks like. Here is what it looks like. This is our login page. If we change it here to home and it, wow, site, which means we are doing correct. You see here the drawer side nav is on the full screen from top to bottom. We can actually change that here by moving our top bar toisa kunze. Here you can see the difference. And then on another thing, we have to make our wool 100%. Like if I remove here, you will see our screen will be so small like this. The height, you can play around with it, because in adapt according to the contents that you have. So I've just added this so that it will fill up the whole space so that everyone can see what I am talking about. So I've added 80%. Congratulations, this is you have completed your first task for today. I think we are done. The other thing is it is responsive to mobile, and those are gonna care material design. So by important material design, you are good. As you can see, it's showing cool. Also, I want to show you that our bootstrap has already been added by changing something. I want to put a class in our container here. Say class content. This is a bootstrap class, right? I think it's not really showing there, so let me put Pamela so one I see so good. No, can do the module, but it's container, not content. All right, there we go. Our container. Okay, you go down up with this phone there. But still, I will show you that it works by putting it in here. Container. As you can see, this is what Bootstrap does. If you use a container. So I think for today we are done. Any questions or any contribution, please let me know through the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if kana zvichikubatsira so that zvinondibatsira kuziva kuti ndiri kubatsira wakawanda.